guys, welcome to another Banana Man Challenge video. Today we are at the beautiful Desert Color with Ember Stays. We have some of the best competitors in the entire world, and they are the Tannerites family. You've probably seen them on their vlog channel. You've probably seen them around the world. We have on the yellow team, Johnny, Az, and Savannah, and on the pink team, Sarah, Lizzie, and Canyon. We're gonna see which team wins and collects the most bananas by the end of this video, because you, as you're watching this video, will get a chance to win a $10,000 luxury experience here at Ember Stays at this house.
For our first challenge, our two teams will be looking through the entire Ember home for bananas. The team with the most bananas at the end will win.
Okay guys, so you gotta listen up really close, all right? I started making biscuits a long time ago. My grandma actually taught me how to make the biscuits. And we bought a bus and we named her Lucy. In May, we got a storefront and we named it the Biscuit Bus Stop. My best-selling biscuit is biscuit and gravy, and my favorite biscuit is just peachy.
I'm ready.
Oh, they're going down.
Okay, teams, are we ready? Your marks, get set, go!
Don't get it
First
right.
question, who taught me how to make gravy?
Your mom?
You do not get this banana! Okay, I'll ask you the same question. Who taught me how to make gravy?
Your grandma.
Yes! Go, 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 go! You get the banana!
Yes! Oh, we got to
Whose idea was it for the Biscuit Bus?
Your wife.
Correct! Your question is, what is the Biscuit Bus slogan?
Risk it for the biscuit.
You're right! Where did the Biscuit Bus first start?
Was it the St. George Market in a pop-up tent?
Let's see if you're right. Yes!
Yes! Wait, go, 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 go.
What is the best-selling biscuit at the Biscuit Bus?
Is it the strawberries and cream?
Let's see if you're right. Oh no! Which biscuit won the Biscuit Olympics?
It was strawberries and cream.
Yes!
Yes!
What biscuit did we take off the menu during the summer?
Hot pie.
This place is huge. Oh, banana.
What is my favorite biscuit?
I know.
Peachy.
Okay, let's see if you're right.
Up another level? I don't think your team's been up another level. This is new territory.
What is the first biscuit that we introduced?
Biscuits and gravy.
Yeah! I need you to name 4 biscuits.
Strawberries and cream.
1,
Old good gravy.
2,
Hot pie.
3.
And what else you got in it? Just peachy.
Yeah!
Good job. Another one.
What is your favorite biscuit?
Hot pie. That's
Okay!
You want the shower?
What is the name of our storefront.
Oh,
I know it.
the Biscuit Bus stop.
Yes!
If you were a banana, where would you be?
What is the Biscuit Bus slogan?
Risk it for the biscuit.
This place is huge. Are you kidding me?
This place is so amazing.
How many rooms are in this place? I thought that was just a big yellow boat on the neighbor's roof.
I need you to give me 4 facts about the Biscuit Bus.
His wife gave him the idea.
Okay, that's 1.
Open up the store or bus stop in May.
Okay, that's 2.
Best selling one is Oat Gravy.
5, 4,
It,
3.
Oh,
Dude.
it's strawberries like something.
It's an international.
Yeah, I know what it is. Your grandma taught you how to make the gravy.
Yep, and you took away pot pie for the summer.
And your favorite is the Just
Pop the butt.
And 1 more.
The store is called the bus stop, the Biscuit Bus Stop.
I'm giving it to Team Pink Grape.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't know what you have, but we got a bunch of bananas.
I'm going bananas with these bananas.
That's an
jokes.
appealing joke.
For our second challenge, our contestants will be digging, swimming, and racing on paddleboards to see who can get the most bananas. Contestants, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I know. I've seen this one. I got it! Hurry! Turn, hurry! That's all 3! Yeah!
For our third and final challenge, we're going bananas. Johnny and Sarah will be upstairs on the balcony playing cornhole, and every time one of them gets a point, they'll be tossing bananas to the kids below to see who can get the most.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, go.
Yes!
Oh, dang it, go in the... Oh! Oh, man, that should have gone in.
Yes! Hey, you're done, Lady Banana. Down there, I don't even remember anymore. Oh! It's hard to be a banana these days. Yes! There's one more. The golden banana.
Oh, man.
We throw it together. 3, 2, 1.
Hurry! Fight for it! All right, guys, we just finished an intense day of challenges. It's been completely bananas. We've totaled up the scores for Team Yellow and for Team Pink. We have a clear winner. Are you guys ready to find out who that is?
Are you ready to find out who that is?
For Team Yellow, you got 59 bananas! The pink team had a whopping 60! But wait. We're forgetting one thing, aren't we? The golden banana. This was worth how many points?
2 points.
But who was the team that got the golden banana? The yellow team! With a whopping total of 61 points to 60, the yellow team won. The pink team got annihilated by only 1 point. So maybe not annihilations, but it was bananas. Now make sure that you go to Staheli Family Farms on November 2nd, because if you're watching this video right now, it means you have a chance to win over $50,000 of cash and prizes. And this golden banana is gonna be worth a $10,000 luxury experience here with Ember Homes. You're gonna be getting a hot air balloon ride, e-bike rental, the Biscuit Bus is coming, a private chef even. Is it worth it? I think so. So you better go look for the clues so that you can be a golden banana winner too. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And before you split,
Bananas!